Modern cities are living, breathing ecosystems, full of people, organizations, and technology, all interacting in real time. To manage this complexity, city leaders need continuous, reliable insights into what's happening now, what's changing, and where attention is needed. But with so much data, how do we turn it into something simple, clear, and useful, without losing what matters most? That's the challenge city managers, service providers, and citizens alike have been trying to solve. And today, there's a smarter way to do it. My colleague will guide you through the system and give you a hands-on look at the powerful tools that make it all possible.
The main user window, the monitoring panel has a list of activity areas and city objects of interest to this user. The list is self-formulated by him based on his tasks and roles. At the top, the user finds the process and information analysis management tools, menus to let user commands, Navigator call buttons, event panel appearance, additional settings, city map to present the objects to their geolocation, analysis of the dependencies between the objects and the indicators. The user can group the desired monitoring objects into groups and display them on the main screen with self-explanatory icons. Let's select the ISO 37120 icon for a quick demonstration. Clicking on the icon opens a list of activity areas and facilities defined in this standard. At a glance, one can see objects having the status deficient, which is especially important for managers. Additional information is available by click on the fields. Object name opens its full report. Status, report on its changes and causes. Map icon shows the object location. Video opens available video cameras and materials. Pictures open illustrations, photos, diagrams, and copies of documents. Tags allow sorting relevant objects. Information icon provides additional descriptions.
Thank you, Annie. In the end, this dashboard offers a powerful, holistic view of the city as a dynamic, interconnected system. It adapts to the needs of each user, whether a policymaker, service provider, or citizen, delivering the right answers with the right focus in real time. Simple when it needs to be, detailed when it matters. It's a smarter way to understand and shape the future of your city.